Assalamu Alaikum guys, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, as you know, this is our class number 4 of Adobe Photoshop 2021, and as you remember this is our manipulation video with our basic tools which we learned in the last videos. So if you don't know how to make the manipulation pictures in Photoshop, then first you want to be learn about the basic tools of Photoshop which can use it in the manipulation video. So you can click on that side button and then watch it. Don't waste more time and let's start the video again. So as you can see, we are on our computer screen and I have selected 4 images to manipulate with each other. The first one is this is a forest and a road which is much lengthy, but we will adjust in this video. And then the second one is the forest which is our background image. Okay, so the third one is there is this deer. This is our main imaginary character which leads this image. Okay. And the third one is this is the pyramid image will be the for our manipulation. You wrote to this video just right. So let's start the video. First of all, we need a background 1000 multiplied by 3000 and the resolution is 300, and then create it out, and that is, and now we need a background, so drag it on our main window. So as you can see, I have selected the high resolution pictures in our from the stock images free website. That's the link in the description and you can check it out. So that is, and then be the one. Okay, so I will be resize my pictures as I want. So that is okay. So first of all, we want to be the background as we want. ओके सो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा हो या मेरी इंग्लिश थोड़ी सी वीक भी हो तो कोई मसला नहीं है यार, आप लोग कमेंट में बता सकते हैं, हम उस पर इम्प्रूव कर लेंगे. बट मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ अपना बेस्ट देने का, नॉट एन ओवर एक्टिंग. I am trying to do my best. Okay, so let's back to the work. We are going to the adjustment layer and then the brightness. And so first of all, we are going to the adjustment layer and click on the brightness and contrast and click on that icon which will be the applied the mask only that layer below him. So let's click on that and then try it again. So brightness if our increase, so we needed some brightness. So that's it, and then contrast will be something like 15, and then that's it, right? So we want to again and then click on adjustment layer and then the hue saturations. Click on that and then we want to be the colorize this image to enhanced picture. So I'm going to select a blue color. So that as you can see, this is much darker and the effect. So click on this mask and then press Ctrl I to invert them, and then go to brush tool and then select a size which you want to be the manipulate in your mindset. So no need of that I want to be a part of this image, be a imaginary, and then click on that and that's it. I want this image whole not, but I want this only the ground to be manipulated, and then smoothness will give up 100 and then there's a size decrease, and then oh my god. So as you can see, I am going to darken the only ground area. So this is the taking so much time, so I don't want to make a longer video for you, and then it will be the boring video if this is going to be longer. Then so that's it. This is all the basic. I don't want to make a longer video, so that is why I'm not looking on the deep in the picture. So this is just be the this video is only for the working of our basic tools, then how we can use it to manipulate other video images and then stock images and then whatever you want to make. But still in your mind, it is our basic tool conversations only, not enough to make a professional manipulation images. Okay, so let's move on. So I have this drawn on the brown. So I have fill up the ground on this layer. So I want to be in a fog layer and then create a new layer and then go to the white ones. Then click on that and then again brush tool. So I'm going to the opacity on this 15 and the flow up to the 7. That's right. And then smoothness up to the 30 and then make a fog, and the brush style must be the greater than, and that's you are looking. This is some effect of fog will be placed on that. And then one thing we have missed, click on the saturation with the which are we placed on that ground, which are blue, and then click on that and click on the opacity right button, and then click on that and then click on the overlay effect. So this looks cool and looking some too much cool effect. Yes, you are right. So let's move on the video. So click on that and then rename it to the for to be remember us. Oh my god, I have so rename this layer to the fog we have to remember. Okay, so that's it. We have been grouped it. Group यहाँ से बनाते हैं. So that is grouped it, and then background. So if you make the groups, then you can easily find your background images and then change it what you want. Okay, so that's it. No need, of course. So we have been created some manipulation images, and then click on that, and then the second one is our pyramid image. Okay, so there's a two option to remove this pyramid from this image to be manipulated on this one. So the first method is click on that and then let the polygonal tool. So click the whole pyramid as you want to be. This is not enough to be the high resolution image. So that's it. I have selected this pyramid and then drag it on to my manipulation images where you want to be that one. And then it's time to be the giving a great looking effect to the background matching. So click on the brush tool, and then first of all we will be click on this high situations and then click on, and then I convert it to the sand brush tool, and then we will make this with our brush tool. As you can see, this is making too slow, so we will go to 100, and as you can see our pyramid is. So that's it. We will remove this spoon from this picture, so it just be visibly. I am just visible to my picture. Then go to the weapons. Okay, so that's it. So click, oh my god, and click on that and then flow up to be the channel. So as you can see our picture going. So that's it. This will be blend our picture to this picture as we want to see here. That's we want to be the edges will be blend this picture, so give him a realistic effect. So that's it. We have been smooth this image corner smooth. So we'll be the next, and then opacity 50%, and then increase the size of that one, and then that, as you can see, this is the merge and blend this picture onto this, and this is giving a really cool effect to our picture. So because this is not enough to be a longer video, so I am not working on the deep points to this image. Just make a different just make a simple manipulate images. Just try it, maybe enough it. Okay, so that's it, and then click on this one and then go to the this looks some cool. Okay, so that's an adjustment layer. Click on that and then click on adjustment layer with saturation, colorize, and click on that and then click it again to our that some back it. So colorize nahi karenge. So that is the really great effect to our video. So that as you can see, this is looking so cool because that's it. Okay, so this effect looking so cool to my image. Okay, so next to be the next one. So this is also to the background image because this is our also a background. So now it's time to work on the third image which we have there. So that's it. So I am going to be the remove this one from the short key and then wait just a minute. That's it. Our deer is ready to be the manipulate part. There is something missing they have and then something that. So to the brush tool select and click on that mask and then you can see we can remove it as we want. So finally guys, maybe we have done this effect to this deer. So image and then click on that and then click front of this some bigger than more thoda sa, and then rotate a little bit. So that's it. That's looking some cool effect to our, but still looking there is a little bit mistake because we have not lightening on our image, but this image is too light. So then click on that again, adjustment layer, and then click on our curves, and then click on that, and then that's it. Okay, so that's it. Control some B the brush tool again, and then again. So that's it. Click on that, some colored, and then on the black color dots on that foot. So that will be the footstep of this deer. Okay, so that's it. And then it's time to be blend the image with this one. That's it. This is giving us a 3D look, that the rain coming from there, and look some great effect to our image. So we want to be the shadow on that one, so going to there, and then became a brightness. So the brightness will be the darken, and then click on invert. So go again, and then again, and then the flow will be the 30%, and the flow up to the 50%, and the smoothness will be the 15%, and that's it. So we are making a shadow to there around the deer. So that is it. We're making a shadow, and then just little on this there, so the bottom one there, to give it more realistic, and then just to be the some that's it. And then make it the darker one. So opacity will be 70, and then click on that. Looks something great, but not enough. So let's move on. So that's it, and go to the levels, and then levels will be applied to whole image. So that's it, and then click on that. That's it. That is enough maybe. So this is looking so cool effect to our image. So this is the beginner manipulation video with the basic tools, just like move tool, selection tool, rectangular tool. We have not used it, and then magic wand tool, and what about the brush tool, and that's it. And then some layers effect. So that's it. So would be the next video, and that is the image we have manipulated just with the few seconds. Maybe the video is longer than 15 minutes or 13 minutes, so I'm sorry for make a long video again. So this is our class number 4 maybe, that's the 4, and we will manipulate another one picture in the episode number 8, because we learned about Photoshop more than usually this video. Okay, so this is for you and not for me, because I can make this more attractive and more looking great pictures. So this is only for you and not enough. So that's it. So thanks for watching my video, and please like and please thumbs up this video, which the button is below to the video, and then there is another button which has colors in red maybe. So that's the button, subscribe one, and then click on that, and then press also to the bell icon to get a notification of my latest episode of Adobe Photoshop. So thank you so much for watching my video, and then we will meet in the next video. Goodbye.